Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 10 best inverter welding machines, your ultimate guide to efficient welding, so let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 10. ANDELI MIG Welder 250. The ANDELI MIG Welder 250 is a versatile semi-automatic inverter welder tailored for home use. Featuring advanced technology, it excels in ARC MMA and gasless MIG welding, utilizing flux core for robust performance. Its design ensures ease of use, making it an ideal choice for welding enthusiasts tackling various projects. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 9. 4-in-1 Plasma Cutter 520 TSCP. Elevate your welding capabilities with the 4-in-1 Plasma Cutter 520 TSCP. This DC inverter welding machine is a true powerhouse, offering spot welding, TIG, MMA, and cut IGBT pulse CNC metal cutting. The intuitive digital screen enhances precision, making it a comprehensive tool for intricate welding and metal cutting tasks. At number 8. Zogan 5-in-1 Plasma Cutter Welders. The Zogan 5-in-1 Plasma Cutter Welders redefine versatility in welding. Equipped with a digital screen, it supports cut/MMA/gas/non-gas MIG/lift TIG inverter. Operating at 220V and accommodating 1/5 kg wire, it delivers flexibility and efficiency for a wide range of welding applications. And press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 7. 3-in-1 MIG MMA TIG Welding Machine 250. Unleash the power of the 3-in-1 MIG MMA TIG Welding Machine 250. This welding equipment operates at 220V, offering intelligent adjustment with IGBT inverter technology. Supporting MIG, MMA, and TIG non-gas welding, it ensures versatility and precision in various welding tasks. At number 6. Zogan Semi-automatic Welding Machine 200A. The Zogan Semi-automatic Welding Machine 200A is a 3-in-1 welding marvel, supporting MIG, MMA, and lift TIG processes without the need for gas. The IGBT inverter technology guarantees reliability and ease of use, making it an essential tool for welding enthusiasts. At number 5. HITBOX MIG Welding Machine Synergy HBM 1200. The HITBOX MIG Welding Machine Synergy HBM 1200 is a semi-automatic 3-in-1 inverter welder designed for precision. With options for TIG argon arc, MIG gasless, and soldering, and dual voltage support, 110V/220V, it offers flexibility and efficiency for various welding tasks. At number 4. Zogan Tig AC DC Welder. Elevate your aluminum welding with the Zogan Tig AC DC Welder. This advanced welding machine features TIG AC DC capabilities, arc stick welding tools, and IGBT inverter technology with pulse functionality. It ensures precise and efficient welding for a variety of applications. At number 3. ANDELI Semi-automatic MIG Welding Machine. The ANDELI Semi-automatic MIG Welding Machine is a versatile inverter that seamlessly integrates MIG lift TIG, ARC, and gas/gasless welding processes. Its synergy multi-process capabilities make it a reliable choice for welding tasks demanding flexibility and precision. At number 2. Portable ZX7250A MMA Arc Welder. Power meets portability with the portable ZX7250A MMA Arc Welder. With a 250A capacity, it is designed for MMA arc welding, making it a compact and reliable solution. This welder is essential for on-the-go welding, perfect for various car repairing tools. At number 1. 2-in-1 ARC MMA Welder Inverter. Unleash welding prowess with the 2-in-1 ARC MMA Welder Inverter. Boasting a robust 300A, 6000W power capacity, it supports ARC and MMA welding with ease. Its portability and versatility make it an ideal companion for a wide array of metal and iron welding applications, delivering reliable performance every time.